everybody. I am happy to welcome you all to my channel. Now here we consider continuation of straight lines, parallel and perpendicular straight lines. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is parallel to ax plus by plus k equal to 0. See that ax plus by is the same because the slope is determined by the terms in x and y. Now for example, 3x plus 4y plus 9 equal to 0 is parallel to 9x plus 12y plus 1 equal to 0 because 9x plus 12y plus 1 becomes 3x plus 4y when you divide by 3. So the same line is 3x plus 4y plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. So we see 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y is the same thing. So they are parallel. See, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, parallel a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 if a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2. Remember, this should not be c1 by c2 because if all these three are equal, we are getting only one line. You can see 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. 6x plus 9y plus 15 equal to 0. They are one and the same straight line because 3 is common factor here. If you cancel 3, you get the same fellow. So this is just one line. So the constants should not be ratio in the same ratio. So lines are parallel if a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2. Now we have ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A straight line is perpendicular to bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. Here we apply slope of this m1 is minus a by b. Slope of this m2 is b by a. And product of the slopes m1 m2 minus a by b into b by a, cross multiply, simplify, get minus 1. So this is a result in trigonometry. If the product of the slopes is minus 1, the lines are perpendicular. So we see these two are perpendicular. So what do we do for getting perpendicular lines? Interchange the coefficients of x and y and change one side. Remember, interchange the coefficients of x and y and change one sign, SIGN sign, and change the constant. We consider an example. X-intercept of the straight line parallel to 3x minus 4y plus 1 equal to 0 with y-intercept minus 4. So we require a parallel line with y-intercept minus 4. Parallel means there is no change in x and y. So 3x minus 4y equals k. There is no change here. Now y-intercept of this, we can say if you put x equals 0, you get the y-intercept. Y-intercept is k by minus of 4 or minus k by 4. And that is given to be minus 4. So when you cross multiply, you get k equals 16. So this k is 16. So 3x minus 4y minus 16 equal to 0. And we get x-intercept by putting y equal to 0. The x value is 16 over 3. And this is the answer. We consider an example. Y-intercept of the line perpendicular to 4x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0 passing through minus 3 minus 2. So the new line passes through minus 3 minus 2 and it is perpendicular to 4x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Now line perpendicular means you have to change the coefficients of x and y. So 3x and change the sign minus 4y. So this is plus plus. Here we have to change the sign. 3x minus 4y equals k. This k can be obtained using the point. Minus 3 minus 2 means you have to put x equals minus 3, y equals minus 2. So minus 9 plus 8. This is minus 1 equals k. Finally, y-intercept means you have to put x equals 0. When you put x equals 0, the y-intercept is k divided by minus 4 and k is minus 1. Finally, minus 1 by minus 4, which is 1 by 4. We apply a formula for foot of the perpendicular from x1, y1 to a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is x1, y1. This is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. We call the foot to be xy. The formula is x minus x1 by a equals y minus y1 by b equals, remember, minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So master this formula and apply the result. Okay, we consider foot of the perpendicular and reflection of 3 minus 1 on the line 2y equals 3x plus 15. So we have a point and a line, but this line is not in the shape. So we rewrite this as 3x minus 2y plus 15 equal to 0. And we apply the formula for foot. Foot of the perpendicular, if that is xy. X, y, x minus 3 by 3 equals y minus minus 1 by minus 2 equals minus of, you have to substitute the points, 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 15, the whole divided by 3 square plus minus 2 square, so 9 plus 4. Finally, minus of 9 plus 2 plus 15 minus of 26 by 13, which is minus 2. So we see x minus 3 by 3 is minus 2. So x minus 3 is minus 6, or x is minus 6 plus 3. Similarly, y plus 1 is 4. Y is 4 minus 1. So y is 3. So answer, x value is minus 3, y value is 3. So minus 3, 3. So that is the foot of the perpendicular. Now the question is reflection. Reflection, you know, if this is the foot, this is the reflection. So this is the midpoint. So we apply that formula of midpoint. N is a plus r by 2. So we apply a plus r equals 2n. R equals 2n minus a. So you multiply 2 with n and take away a. So 2 into minus 3, 3. Take away means minus 3 minus 1. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 3 is minus 9. 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 1 is plus 1. 7. So final answer minus 9, 7. Now we consider a result in trigonometry. Angle between two lines. Formula is tan theta. Angle is theta. Tan theta is m1 difference m2 difference by 1 plus m1 into n2. m1 equals m2 means the lines are parallel. m1 m2 plus 1 0 means the lines are perpendicular. This means m1 m2 is minus 1 for perpendicular lines. We consider angle between 3x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 and x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. We apply slope. m1 is 3 by 2. Actually, it is minus 3 by minus 2. m2 is minus 1. Y equals minus of 1 into x. So m1 is 3 by 2. m2 is minus 1. Tan theta. m1 difference m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So 3 by 2 minus minus 1 by 1 plus 3 by 2 into minus 1. You multiply by 2. It becomes 3 plus 2, 5 divided by 2 minus 3, which is minus 5. Now we observe tan theta is negative, means the angle is obtuse. But you know, this is also possible. This is also an angle between the lines. So whenever you get theta, tan inverse of minus 5, that is trigonometry, we go to tan inverse of 5, the acute angle for the answer. Both are correct. Tan inverse 5 or tan inverse minus 5 are the two angles there. we find the point of intersection. It as point of intersection of 3x minus 4y minus 11 equal to 0 and 5x minus y minus 7 equal to 0. So we take 3x minus 4y minus 11 equal to 0, equation number 1. 5x minus y minus 7 equal to 0, equation number 2. Now the method is elimination. Elimination means killing. We have to kill x or y to get the variables. Now here minus 4y. If you multiply by 4, you get minus 4y and subtract that 4y, minus 4y, etc. go. Therefore, you multiply the second equation by 4 and subtract it from the first equation. We write equation number 1 minus 4 times equation number 2. So 3x minus 4 into 5 is 20x. Y disappeared by itself. Minus 11 minus 4 into minus 7 is plus 28 equal to 0. So 3x minus 20x is 17x. On the other side it is plus 17x. It is 17. So x is 1. Now when you put x equals 1 here in this equation, y equals 5x minus 7. You can see y equals 5x minus 7. So 5 into 1 minus 7, or it is minus 2. So the answer is 1 minus 2. Now we consider shortcut method for the point of intersection of 3x minus 4y minus 11 0, 5x minus y minus 7 equals 0. We write the coefficients 3, minus 4, minus 11. You repeat 3. Coefficients 5, minus 1, minus 7. You repeat 5. Now this determinant we have seen a, b, c, d is a into d minus b into c. So the first determinant 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus minus 20 is 17. Second, minus 4 into minus 7 is 28. Minus 11 is 17. Third, minus 11 into 5 is minus 55. Plus 21 is minus 34. Remember, the first one goes for the denominator, second for the x, and third for the y. So denominator x, y. Answer, x value is obtained as x by denominator 17 by 17, it is 1. Y value minus 34 by 17. So we need only take the ratio of this. With the denominator this, numerator this, numerator this. Finally you get x equals 1, y equals minus 2, and the answer is 1 minus 2. Find A if ax plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 passes through the point of intersection of 4x minus 3y minus 5 0 and 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Now we find the point of intersection by our determinantal method. 4 minus 3 minus 5, you repeat 4. 2, 1 minus 5, repeat 2. The first determinant is 4 minus minus 6 is 10, goes for the denominator. Second is 15 plus 5, 20, goes for x. Third is minus 10 plus 20, which is 10, goes for y. So the point of intersection is 20 by 10, which is 2. 10 by 10, which is 1. So 2, 1. Now it lies on this line. And they are asking what is A. So A can be obtained directly. This fellow will go to the other side and x will go down. So A is 1 minus 3y by x. And put y value. You can see the y value is 1. X value is 2. So 1 minus 3 by 2. Or is it minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Answer comes. We consider, find the straight line passing through the intersection of 4x minus y minus 10 equal to 0 and x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 with the x-intercept minus 2. Now here we apply an idea. Line passing through the intersection can be written as 4x minus y minus 10 plus lambda into x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. Now if there is one line L equal to 0, another L dash equal to 0, any line passing through this is L plus lambda L dash equal to 0. But remember 0 is important. Now we move to this. 4x minus y minus 10 equal to 0 is okay. X plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 is okay. Then intersection is 4x minus y minus 10 plus lambda into x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 is okay. So we see this is the situation here. This is the situation here. Now x-intercept of the new line is minus 2. So the point is minus 2, 0. It should lie on this. We put x equals minus 2, y equals 0. The situation is minus 8, minus 10 plus lambda into minus 2, minus 7 equals 0. That gives you the value of lambda. This goes to the other side. This division, lambda is minus 18 by 9 or minus 2. Put that value back. Lambda is minus 2. So 4x minus y minus 10 minus 2 into x plus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. 4x minus 2x is 2x, minus y minus 6y is minus 7y, minus 10 plus 14 is plus 4. Final answer 2x minus 7y plus 4 equals 0. Now we consider the straight line passing through the intersection of 2y equals 3x minus 5 and 4x equals y minus 1 and parallel to 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0. So try to put the ideas. I told you we require equal to 0 everywhere. So this can be written as 3x minus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. This can be 4x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So we see the line through the intersection is 3x minus 2y minus 5 plus lambda into 4x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now you can collect terms. X means 3x and 4 lambda. So 3 plus 4 lambda x. Similarly, you collect y minus 2y and minus lambda y. Minus of 2 plus lambda into y. And the constant there, lambda into 1 minus 5 equal to 0. The problem is parallel. So when the equation lines are parallel, we see the ratio of x equals ratio of y. So ratio of x is 3 plus 4 lambda by 2. On the other side, ratio of y is minus of 2 plus lambda by 3. You can cross multiply and simplify and get lambda. You can see 9 plus 12 lambda is minus 4 minus 2 lambda. 12 lambda plus 2 lambda is 14 lambda. 9 on the other side is minus 13. So lambda is minus 13 by 14. So our problem is substitution of this minus 13 by 14 here. Try to understand, when you put minus 13 by 14, this 14 goes over here. That is this step. We do it in our brain. So 14 into 3x minus 2y minus 5 minus 13 into 4x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. We need only simplify. Simplification comes like this. Finally, the answer is 10x plus 15y plus 83 equal to 0. I hope you have understood the points I explained. You master the simple points, simple methods that will be in your brain. Repeat this again and again. Read those results again and again. If lines are parallel, coefficients of x and y are in the same ratio. All those simple results should be in your brain, in your mind, in your heart. Best wishes for all of you. Thank you.